Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable the comfortable density view in Google Chat on your computer with the new update. If you've noticed your chat messages looking a little too compact or just not as easy on the eyes, this quick setting will make everything look cleaner and more natural to read. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. You'll see your profile photo in the top right corner of the screen. Right next to it, there's a small grid icon made up of 9 dots. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your quick access panel to all Google apps. From the list that appears, scroll down and click on Chat. This will open Google Chat in a new tab or window, depending on how your browser is set up. Once Chat opens, you should see your conversations and spaces on the left side of the screen. Now, look toward the top right corner of the chat window. You'll see a small gear icon that's your settings button. Click on it. A settings panel will slide open, and inside, you'll find several options for customizing your chat experience. Next, click on the Appearance section. Here, you can adjust how your Google Chat interface looks and feels. You'll notice an option labeled Density, which controls how much space appears between chat messages and elements. Choose the Comfortable option. This setting gives your chats more room to breathe, making messages easier to scan, reducing visual clutter, and giving your overall workspace a smoother, less cramped look. Once you select Comfortable, the change happens instantly. No need to refresh or save. Take a moment to browse through your chats and see the difference for yourself. The messages now appear with more spacing, creating a cleaner and more modern look that's easier on the eyes, especially during long work sessions. And that's it. You've just enabled comfortable density in Google Chat on your PC. It's a small change, but one that can make your messaging experience feel much more pleasant and easier to navigate.